We have a problem here to solve. Is from our Codesignal. We are given a number. We have to determine if it is a lucky number or not. Ticket number usually consists of an even number of digits. A ticket number is considered lucky if the sum of the first half of the digit is equal to the sum of the second half. Given a ticket number n, determine if it is lucky or not. Okay, so we are given a number. We have to determine if it is a lucky number or not. If it is a lucky number, we return it true. If it is not, we return false. Okay, so let's get started. So solving this problem with Python. So the first thing I think I will do is to convert it to string. Then once I convert it to a string, I want to separate the numbers into an array. So that will be, call it an array, and convert it back to integers for I in n. Then we get the half number to divide the array, like the first half and the second half. I'll call it div mat. Okay, mat. Get the floor of that. With the length of divided by 2. Then for the first array, we will sum it up. Array 0 to div, then array 2 sum array to the div all the way to the end of the index. That will be len. Okay, then we will do a return true if r1 is equal to r2, else we return false. Let's run it and see. Okay, oh, I'm missing an if state. If return true if r1 is equal to r2, else return false. Okay, I think we got it right. Okay, so we're good. That's it. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy it. Please like and share it. Thank you.